SEPS spaces and equipment with the Onuma system. From SEPS, the BIM Excel export file is imported into the Onuma system, which automatically generates the spaces and equipment. These BIM spaces are based on the latest known BIM layout templates created by VA and generated during the last department update of this particular room. The designer at this point can actually continue to work with these recommendations and edit and move equipment around. If a BIM template is not available, the SEPS import automatically generates the equipment required in the room. This is called the delivery truck method. Essentially, the equipment is delivered right outside the space or the room, and the designer does not have to second guess what came out of SEPS. It's a one-to-one match. If the equipment was part of the SEPS space in the room, or even if it was added as additional equipment, it shows up as a piece of equipment. In the BIM tool like this in the Onuma system, then it's a pretty quick exercise to move the equipment into position based on designer and subject matter experts' input. This way, cataloging the decisions that are being made for this particular room. So this is all the equipment that was generated from the SEPS import. In addition to the equipment graphically, the data from the 1691 database that is also in SEPS shows up. If equipment is not imported from SEPS and additional equipment is needed, a catalog of equipment from the 1691, Mill Standard 1691, is available and can be added in the Onuma system. This immediately shows up in 2D and 3D and in all exports, including an Excel export of equipment. There's no need to manually type in equipment lists. It actually is generated from the BIM, and that's obviously the benefit of BIM. It's also possible to export at any point in time to other formats, including Revit, SketchUp, and Kobe.